Hi everyone. In the previous video, I showed you how to define the search limit and determine the slip surface or the critical slip surface that gives you the minimum factor of safety. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to show the slip surface in 3D. So in the previous video, we already analyzed this model. I'm gonna go just to results icon. As you can see here, you can see the slip surface, but what the main objective of this video is to hide everything and just make the user see only the slip surface in 3D. One way to do that is just go to the tree icon here, and at the tree go to the global minimum, so this is the results, and go all the way to show only global minimum surface. By clicking on that, you will be able to see the the slip surface in 3 dimension. If I click here, so this is the slip surface in 3 dimension, as you can see here. That's very great tool that SLIDE3 has. Another thing, we used to show some property of each slice in slide 2. In slide 3, we are not dealing with slices, we are dealing with columns in 3 dimension. To do that, or to show the property for each column, which represent the slice in slide 2, we can just click on this icon, column data viewer, or we can go to interrupt, interpret, and choose the column data viewer from here. So this one and this one is the same basically. So if you click on it, now you can see and choose which column you want. And again, this is not slice. This is a column. If you zoom in, you will see it is a column, and this is the section. You can choose different section. You can choose any location you want. For example, by clicking here, you are changing the slip surface in this window, as you can see. So if I zoom in, you will see there is a column. And that's explain why we have higher factor of safety if we compare 3D to 2D slope stability analysis, because in the column we have 4 sides of resistance, while on the other hand, the slide 2 we have only 2 sides of resistance, and that's why we have higher factor of safety. Is this always the case? It depends always. It depends on the geometry and depends on many other factors. But this is just another great feature. You can see it in slide 3. So you can see the normal stress at this column, the base effective normal stress, pore water pressure, and many other parameters. This is very useful for the user if they want to use this number in any other calculations. And not only that, you can export all this information with everything to Excel and do your calculations. I think this is very great tool, and it's really powerful software. You can also see the material property from here as well. So if we want to show everything back as it was before, we go again to this icon and then go down and click on or disactivate the show only global minimum surface, and now you can see everything. You can click on the sliding direction arrow if you're not sure how this block or this volume will fail. So it's gonna give you an idea where this is gonna go and where this is actually easy. We know it's gonna fail this way, so this is gonna go down and this is gonna go to the left side. The bottom here of this volume is gonna go this way. But you can see the direction by clicking on sliding direction arrow. Just activate that and you will see, let me hide all the geometry. You will see a red arrow here that represent the sliding direction. Good. That's very nice. You can see the direction if you're not sure how this is gonna fail. Then I'm just gonna disactivate this. You can keep this as it is. You can hide the failure surface. What does that mean? So as you can see here, there's the surface of the open pit. If you activate this, this surface is gonna disappear. If you deactivate it, you can see the surface again. It's very hard to see, but if you just focus on these, you can see the surface. So let me hide it again. Now it's gone. Now it's back again, which is the surface of the existing open pit. Okay. Um, Another great tool, you can see the elevation as a elevation map. Just clicking here, so it's gonna give you basically this is the lowest point. It's gonna be in red, and the highest point in blue. So you have an idea about the elevation. In this case, it's I think it's in meter. So this is 5,000, and this is 5,032, and this is 5,551. This is the highest point. So this will give you an idea about the elevation. Okay. Okay. If you want to make this disappear, just go back and click here again, and it will disappear. You can also show the surface safety map. So anything in red, it has lowest factor of safety. Anything in blue, it's gonna give you a higher factor of safety. We can actually add uh, a filter to show more. Let me see. Add 0 to 60. So I'm just gonna show more slip surfaces from 0 minimum factor of safety to 60. Close. You see now we have more. If we go back here and click here, now we're gonna see almost more actually here. So this is this blue area has factor of safety higher than 6. Okay, but I recommend to actually to show all surfaces by going here and just keep it as it like this. This is more clear, so you see all the slip surface, and the most critical one it's in purple with this thick purple line here. Okay, for example, also you can actually hide some volume if you don't want to see, for example, if you want to see only the bottom volume and you don't want to see the top two volumes, you can just go here. If you go to geometry, if you double click on this window, it's gonna maximize. So you can go here and just click here and just hide. You got the idea, I think. Hide the thing that you don't need from the top here. Okay. So yep. But in the results, if you want to see only the slip surface, this is the easy and fast way. Just go here and then go down all the way and just click on show only the slip surfaces. Then you can see all the slip surfaces with the most critical one, as you can see here. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope I provide some value to you. Thanks. Bye.